Hey guys, here are 20 ways to attract a woman to you. Number 1, develop good communication skills by actively listening to what she has to say. Number 2, show genuine interest in her hobbies, passions, and stories. Number 3, be confident in yourself and your abilities without projecting arrogance. Number 4, cultivate a positive and optimistic attitude that inspires people around you. Number 5, be respectful and acknowledge her boundaries and preferences. Number 6, dress well and maintain good hygiene, as physical appearance can play a role. Number 7, be adventurous and spontaneous in your hobbies and date ideas. Number 8, be open-minded and empathetic towards others' experiences and perspectives. Number 9, be reliable and accountable by following through with your promises and commitments. Number 10, be a good conversationalist by sharing interesting stories and insights. Number 11, show kindness and respect towards others in your daily interactions. Number 12, be supportive and uplifting when she may be struggling with something. Number 13, engage in humor and light-hearted playfulness to show you can have fun. Number 14, show your emotional intelligence by validating her feelings and emotions. Number 15, demonstrate leadership skills that show you can be assertive while also respecting others. Number 16, create an environment of safety and comfort where she can feel at ease around you. Number 17, show your appreciation for her in small gestures like thoughtful messages and gifts. Number 18, be flexible and adaptable to different situations and challenges. Number 19, demonstrate a strong work ethic and being passionate about your career and goals. Number 20, most importantly, be yourself and be authentic in your communication and interactions. It's bye for now, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Be sure to leave a comment. See you in our next lit video.